Society High-Rise Complex finds keys to HVAC and plumbing success. Finding a way to install lifelong HVAC and domestic water supply systems in 1.5 million square foot community living complex was solved by using two types of plastic pipe. The Society Orlando is a two-tower, mixed-use, high-rise project in the downtown Orlando, Florida Central Business District. One tower is a 330-foot, 26-story building with 462 units, while the other is a 16-story building with 245 units. In addition to the combined total of 707 rental apartments, it has 36,000 square feet of office and retail space. Using PP-RCT and PEX pipes cut the installation costs by 70%, while providing piping systems that will not corrode or tuberculate and are designed to last the life of the structure. In the larger Society Orlando Tower with 26 floors, there were 24 risers and 44 connections, totaling 27,456 connections. The Society Orlando project used 800 feet of Uponor PP-RCT pipe in diameters from 3 to 10 inches for distributing and returning water to and from the roof cooling tower. The chilled water flows through 12,600 feet of Uponor Wiersbo HVAC PEX tubing vertical risers, with runs branching off to fan coil units inside the apartments. A second, similar return line follows a route in reverse, carrying warm water from the apartments back to the cooling tower to be chilled again. The 138,000 feet of Uponor AquaPEX PEX tubing and 3,000 Pro PEX fittings, including multi-port tees in diameters from 1/2 to 1 inch, were used for the Society Orlando's domestic water system. The massive endeavor was named Project of the Year by the Building and Construction Division of the Plastic Pipe Institute, Inc., PPI. The award was presented to PPI member company Uponor. The scale of this project is nothing short of amazing, stated Lance McNevin, Director of Engineering for PPI's Building and Construction Division. The use of both PEX and PP-RCT piping systems kept costs realistic and still provided reliable systems for moving the water for the HVAC systems and to deliver potable water to each apartment and business. Plastic piping materials are the most sustainable choices for this type of project and allowed the contractors to meet demanding construction schedules while improving worker safety. Sections of the PP-RCT piping system were joined together using heat fusion, which eliminated open flame welding. PP-RCT is a durable, corrosion-resistant polymer piping product that is lighter in weight compared to metal for easier installation and greater job site safety. Conservatively, we had a 40% reduction in actual field labor, stated Jerry Rowland, Director, Business Development, Caldwell Engineering. We installed that entire piping project with just a 4-man crew. Uponor's PEX product lends itself to where you can literally put 4 risers on your shoulder and carry them down a flight of stairs, and it's one guy doing it. That's 24 risers by 2 guys in 1 day. It would take 10 guys a week with a traditional piping system. Rowland confirmed that he plans on using PEX and PP-RCT everywhere he can going forward. We're pretty elated, because it's the right thing for the owner and for those who live and work at Society Orlando. More information can be found at www.plasticpipe.org/building construction